Welcome everyone, and I hope you all doing good. So my name is Ms. Shahida and I'm here to share with you some important information about your babies. In today's video, we are going to find out what are the developmental milestones of 17 to 18 months old baby. If you are wondering what are developmental milestones, so don't worry, I'm going to explain it for you. So developmental milestones is a checkpoint in child's development, teaching us what child on average can compete at a particular time in their lives. If your son or daughter cannot complete a milestone, it does not mean that your son or daughter has a developmental delays. You have to accept that each child is different and everyone progress at a different time. As I mentioned before, today we are going to focus on babies between 17 and 18 months of age. And there are four main categories of developmental milestones. Those are physical, mental, social, and language. So today I have three important activities that will help you stimulate your baby's brain at this important age. But before we are going to start our activities, let's first review our milestones that our 17 to 18 months old baby will be reaching in these 2 months. Let's start off our physical development. At this age, your toddler is beginning to more independent. He may have already started to eat with his spoon, even if he is making a little bit mess. He tends to help you more when you try to change or take off his clothes. He holds his cup with his little hands and take off his shoes everywhere. He also likes to be pushing, pulling, carrying and throwing things. Finally, he is scribbling without control. So now we are continuing with our social emotional development. Your baby begins to read situations better. That is, he moves towards and away from the objects or people in order to express comfort and discomfort. He also looks to his caregivers to make sure he is presented with a new situation. Finally, your baby can begin to adore to his favorite toy or a blanket. Now into language development. Your baby begins to combine his words. For example, say more cookies. Now if you have made the habit of reading to your child, he may begin to hand you a book for you to read aloud for him. And while you read, he wants to turn on the pages, hold the book, point to different images and imitate the different reactions from you happen to make. So lastly, your toddler can now grip the crayon with his fist, enjoy scribbling on the paper or on the surface. The last developmental milestone that we are going to cover is cognitive or mental development. So at this age, your baby can solve simple problems by trying several times. Your toddler also is engaging in pretend play. For example, he is pretending to drink from empty cup, he feeding his stuffed animals, is rolling cards, is talking to the fake phone. Finally, your child allows simple commands from different adults. So now that we finished with our toddler's milestone, we are going to continue with our activities. Today I have three simple activities that will help you stimulate your baby's brain. Let's go with our first activity. This exercise is called Stop and Go. For this, while walking or playing with your baby, say stop and then go. This is not only great for fun, but it's also help kids with their impulsive control. So now we are continuing with our second activity. So this is called feather activity. All you are going to do is put a feather in your hand and show your child how to blow it to get it moving. By doing this activity that involves the mouth, your toddler works on oral motor skills. These have benefits related to their speech, feeding and regulations. Finally, we have our last game, which is called pinch and lift game. For this, you will need tongs, just small things like nuts or pom-poms, objects that your child can easily lift from one container to another, help him moving things from one container to another. This activity will help you with their vision, tactile and proprioceptive senses. This is also helpful for their fine motor activities. Thank you all so much for watching today's video, and I hope you all learned something new about your 17 to 18 month old toddlers. See you next time. Enjoy your babies.